All right, hi everybody. So for those of you who missed class or are just totally confused and haven't completed your assignment or even maybe started it, I made this video to help you know what to do. So if you don't have this big piece of paper, just take any old blank piece of paper and draw these 4 really long rectangles and then divide them in half. So you have 8 rectangles, 8 large rectangles, okay? If you do have this big piece of paper, then we're gonna start with writing your name on here. So if you don't have the big piece of paper, pause now and either make yourself this piece of paper or go find this piece of paper. Okay, welcome back. Now you should have this big piece of paper or a piece of paper ready to go. So you're gonna write your name on the paper somewhere so I know it's yours. Okay, then you're gonna put 4 time in the beginning here, just on the first line. You don't have to do it on the other lines. And that tells us that each box needs 4 beats of rhythms, okay? And your job now is to make up those rhythms and write them in the boxes. And our little fruit cards can help us do that. So if you have your little fruit cards, you can get them out and lay out 4 of them to help you decide what you want to have your composition be. If you don't have them, you just decide on your own. So let's say I decide I want apple, pear in the first box. I'm going to draw the notes for apple, and I'm going to write the word apple. Then I want pear. And then I want apple again. And pretend that says apple. And then pear. Okay, now I want to check that I have 4 beats. Are there 4 fruits? Apple, pear, apple, pear. Yes, there are. If you want to use a yum, you can use a yum, but that takes up 2 beats. So you only need 2 more fruits in your rectangle. Or if you do 2 yums, that fills up an entire rectangle. Okay. I also said that it's good to end a line with a pear because it makes it feel like the end. Okay, if you end with a huckleberry or a strawberry or a cantaloupe, then it makes it feel like you've got more to come instead of the end of a line. So end with a pear. When you are done, go back and make sure that each rectangle, which represents a measure, has only 4 beats. Count them up. Sometimes kids only have 3, some kids have 5, and they're just so excited about being creative that they forget that they need only 4 beats per rectangle. You do need to have the notes and the words. Okay, some of you have done the pictures but not the notes, or the words but not the notes, or the notes but not the words, or whatever. So make sure that you have both the notes and the words in your boxes and that it's nice and neat. Now mine's not terribly neat because I was using my mouse, but hopefully yours will be neater. Okay, if you still have questions about this project, then you can raise your hand and let me know. Okay, great.